Beneficial Juggling presents Under the Arm vs. Chops. Under the arm requires more flexibility and stretching than chops. You have to reach underneath your other arm. It also helps to bring your other arm a little bit closer so you don't have to reach out as far if you're not as flexible. A chop goes over instead of under. While you're doing your under the arm throw, where are you doing your next catch? Are you uncrossing your arms to catch, or are you leaving your arms crossed to make that catch? Both options are okay and lead to different tricks. The chop is just how the name suggests. It's a very fast trick. You really have to chop quickly over and then toss it to the next hand. It's kind of awkward at first until you get down the rhythm, how you chop over and then toss to the next hand. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section and I'll happily get back to you. In the next video, number 10, I'm going to teach you fake throws, unlocking 6 brand new tricks I will show you how to do. Click the link in the description. What is beneficial juggling? We're a non-profit organization founded by jugglers who feed, house, and educate youth in developing countries. We believe humans are one team on one planet, and we're working together to create a brighter future for humanity and planet Earth.